Good morning, everybody. This is your overlanding soldier, and today I am super excited. I've got my hands on a 1992 OBS Ford F-150. The wife said yes, let's go. I am super excited about this vehicle. Again, like I said, this is a 1992. She's equipped with a 5.8 liter engine V8, ranges about 145 to 200 horsepower. This is a project truck, guys. Like I said, I also have my sport track that was originally a project truck. This is my latest one here. I always wanted an OBS. I'm super excited. Let's take a look inside, guys. This is the second day I've owned this vehicle. We're going to take a look at the body here. It's not bad overall, but it has some, nicks and crannies. It's a 30-year-old truck, though. What could we expect? Super cab. Had to get the super cab. Short bed. I just like the look of those. I think that I don't really like the long bed look on these. Obviously, it is equipped with 4x4 on this particular model as well. Overall, not bad. But I cannot wait till you guys see the finished product of this. I mean, from sandblasting, coating the underbody, restoring the little bit of rust that we have here, and doing a complete overhaul of the interior. You guys are going to be excited with this final product. Let's take a look inside. So overall, inside is not bad. It's super clean. 4 years, super clean. I've seen much worse. I've got to still wash it. I've still got to clean it up, shampoo the carpets. The dash here, if you take a closer look, it's not bad. I'm hoping I can get this off, which I probably will be able to. Let's go around to the other side. The only real issue I have with this interior here is going to be the driver's side seat. It is kind of busted up pretty bad. I'm going to make something work if I just don't completely replace it overall. But I can always lift this up, duct tape it, throw a cover on it for now, and that'll be how we handle that. But it is super clean, guys. It's about 202,000 miles on this. I mean, you just can't get any better than this. I've got the factory AM FM stereo cassette player, guys. I'm super excited. And again, this is your overlanding soldier. Stay tuned.